Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Aegis Authenticator. So this is a simple way to protect your accounts using two-factor authentication. And the setup is actually very easy to follow. So to get started, open up the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type in Aegis Authenticator, then find the app in the results and download it. Once it is installed, go ahead and open the app. And when you launch it for the first time, just follow the instructions on the screen. You'll usually be asked to set up your security, like creating a password, passcode, or using your fingerprint. After setting that up, tap the check icon at the bottom right to continue. Now, to add an account, look for the plus or add button inside the app. Tap on it, then choose how you want to add your account. You can either scan a QR code or enter a secret key manually, depending on what the service gives you. If you're entering the key yourself, type it exactly as provided, then follow any extra steps shown by the service to finish the setup. And once everything is filled in, tap Save into the top right corner. After that, your account will appear inside the app. Aegis Authenticator will now generate time-based one-time codes for each account that you added. You'll use these codes whenever you ask to verify your login. The good thing here is it works even without an internet connection, which adds extra security. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.